Hey everyone! Being passionate for technology and having a desire to learn and explore more makes me what I am. This is Siddharth Dalwal, a pre-final year student pursuing computer science and engineering in India. I am an Angel Hack student ambassador, Microsoft Learn student ambassador, former Progate intern, and lead organizer for my very own hackathon, Hack This Fall. My passion for hackathon is immense, and I have been part of 50 plus different hackathons with various roles. I am also a community guy and a public speaker. I still remember when I entered my very first year of college, I was very enthusiastic about exploring new things. Back then, having less exposure around me, I took an initiative and attended various community events, meetups, seminars, conferences, etc. This gave me an opportunity to network with some awesome folks around the globe and also allowed me to understand different technologies and their importance in the industry. Slowly and gradually, even I began learning a few of them. I started my journey with Internet of Things, hardware programming, experimented with machine learning and did some web development. Also, programming opened a new door for me and made me understand that I can solve the shared problem before complaining about them. For me, the best way to learn is to implement what you are learning, and you can do it either by making projects, doing an internship, or according to me, by attending various hackathons. Yes, attending hackathons is the best way you can learn new things and implement them in order to solve the shared problems of our society. And this is what I did. Talking more about hackathons, I still remember when I heard the word hackathon for the very first time. I was a bit ambiguous about the term, as the word hack comes into the picture. I was very much curious to know more about hackathons and the hacker community. And as a first year student, I wanted to explore more and grab opportunities via the medium of learning. So I decided to attend my very first hackathon, which was way back in February 2019. And I ended up winning that hackathon. That moment of winning and the overall hackathon culture was altogether something epic which I never experienced before. So just by participating in a single event or a hackathon, I was so overwhelmed with all the experience in just 2 days. What then? I never looked back and attended all the hackathons in my reach. This is how my journey in programming and hackathon community started. So far, I've been part of 50 plus hackathons with different roles and helped hackathon communities in every way possible. Talking about Progate, I got introduced to Progate by one of the former community interns. I've always been on the helping side and know the value that community brings. I wanted to help grow the developer community and enhance it by introducing various programs for their growth, and so I grabbed the opportunity and joined the community team at Progate. I would say Progate's platform and courses are the best resources for any beginner to kickstart their journey with coding, as it serves in the best possible way that can help you understand the concepts along with the way of learning. The hashtag Code to Success is indeed the perfect way of portraying what Progate's mission is. I would say be opportunistic and do not miss any chance to learn and grow. Having a question where to find this opportunity? I would say look around yourself. Opportunities are many. One just needs to have the right mindset to grab them. Also, implement what you are learning and teach others at the same time. When you are learning something new, practice is the key. Also, be active in communities and showcase yourself. Do not compare yourself with others. Everyone has different stories, different capabilities. You might be good at something which no one can do. Instead, learn from others and grow as a human, as a developer. Also, if ever you feel demotivated, remember how far you have come. Failures are just a part of the journey, it's not the destination. Finally, give your best, leave the rest. And remember, if I can do it, so can you. Lastly, I would say programming can change your life. And now even you can code your career with Progate. So join us today. Good luck everyone, happy learning, and thanks for watching.